question of one of my students. She has a sleeve and she needs a longer arm than the regular sleeve length. Now she's using a standard fitting 3-part Chanel sleeve, and I'm going to show you today how to adapt the size for her length. So what I did to start with is tape the pattern to each other, to the table. So I connected this, I put them together and at the same length of the sleeve and all the grain lines in the same direction. So what I'm going to do now, I just first put over another piece of paper. I taped it to the table. That's so much easier than pinning it together, and that takes a lot of time. This is very quick. Now I can transfer the pattern to the new paper, and I will draw some cross lines to cut through. This is the original pattern. I can put it away and keep it for reference later. I will work and move on with this pattern. So this is the elbow line, and under it I draw another line, and I will cut the pattern open on this line, and here the same, and I just avoid the places where things happen a little bit. So I added 2 centimeters in between the open lines. So I put them aside, placed a piece of paper under it, added 2 centimeters, glued it, taped it, and the same I did here. So now I'm ready to cut open the patterns, and I just continue the lines of the original pattern, and I cut them in 3 separate patterns, but they all have the same added length to the sleeve. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get noticed when new videos will appear.